cold out, right? So this is that sticky, sticks to everything kind of snow. I was in Comox last night speaking to the Rotary Club presidents, and hello. No snow there, no snow on the South Island last night, but everybody suddenly get it for now. Take a look at these pictures right here. I took these on my way out of my house today. In the News Bay. So just a regular bit about the snow that's around Parksville, Coalition Beach, and the News Bay. There's what the road looks like where I live. So we have got this kind of snow that's sticking around. The no snow we're going to have is going to, you know, keep a little bit more. So that's what the snow set. It's always my thing. I take a look at the lawn chairs on my porch to see how much snow there is. That's how much we had on Saturday on the weekend where I live. So more snow coming on top of that. Let's take a look at what's going to happen for tonight. It depends on where the snow happening for the Southern Gulf Islands and for Victoria for tonight. So there's what the roads look like. So tonight, it's going to be kind of damp, kind of windy, and kind of snowy, and it's a little bit of rain mixed in some areas. Port Alberni has not had a lot of snow happening in town as of yet, but certainly the areas around it, the Port Alberni